Looking for home design inspiration? You're in the right place. Okay, seriously, stop scrolling. You have to see this kitchen. This isn't just a kitchen. This is like a mood board come to life. It's called Modern Tudor Modern Organic, and honestly, it's a game changer. Wow. The vibe is total sophistication, but then bam, you get this incredible splash of vibrant yellow cabinet bases. It's sunshine paired with that cool, moody concrete gray. This is insane. Usually, concrete can feel kind of heavy or cold, but the yellow instantly fixes that, right? And look at the details. That backsplash tile, it's a geometric masterpiece mixing the yellow and gray. It's totally giving high-end cafe vibes. Now, let's talk space. This island is massive. I'm guessing it's easily 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. That chunky concrete countertop is perfect for hosting. You could prep for a huge holiday dinner or just line up 4 of your best friends on those super chic woven rattan bar stools. And check out the height. Those dark Tudor beams are running across a ceiling that must be 10 feet high, maybe even more. It makes the whole room feel unbelievably grand. Seriously, we've all dealt with cramped, boring kitchens, but this design, it's stylish, it's functional, and it manages to feel both timeless and totally current at the same time. Dream home definition. This room is beautiful, but I've saved the best part for last. Follow me.